free. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so that you will get update with our latest video. A lot of women lose eyelash and eyebrow density when they get older. There are few simple steps to reverse this process and rejuvenate your eyelashes and eyebrows. This article will show how to grow longer eyelashes and fuller eyebrows naturally. Remove makeup nightly. Mascara and eyebrow gel left on eyelashes and eyebrows overnight will damage these beauty treasures and will prevent eyelashes and eyebrows from growing. Use oil-based or dual-action eye makeup remover. Good eye makeup remover should wipe off makeup and even waterproof mascara without rubbing and ripping off eyelashes and eyebrows. Soak cotton pad in eye makeup remover and apply to eyelashes and eyebrows for counts of 10, then wipe off without pressure. Repeat if necessary. Moisturize eyelashes and eyebrows once a week. 1 part of castor oil mixed with 1 part of vitamin E and 2 parts of vaseline could be applied once a week at night to clean eyelashes and eyebrows using clean mascara brush. Make sure not to apply too much of this mixture to eyelashes, may cause redness of eyeballs in the morning. Make sure to consume enough protein. Eyelash and eyebrow cells are made most purely of protein. When diet is lacking protein, body distributes protein to vital organs first, leaving eyebrows and eyelashes without enough building material for new cells. Consider taking biotin and multivitamins with enough daily value of vitamins B5, B6, B12 and vitamins A and C. Biotin and vitamins of B group are known for promoting hair, eyelash and eyebrow growth. Vitamins A and C are responsible for blood and oxygen circulation, allowing better food supply for eyelash and eyebrow follicles. Avoid quick fixes. False eyelashes and eyelash extensions will provide immediate appearance of longer and fuller eyelashes, although prolonged use of false eyelashes and extensions will ruin eyelashes. Consider use of natural eyelash growth serums, like Fasico Eyelash Serum or Rapid Lash, proven to provide rapid growth of eyelashes and eyebrows within 4-6 weeks with natural ingredients and peptides. Eyelash growth serum usually used when eyelash fallout is significant. Person went through medical treatment, resulting eyelash loss, or eyelash and eyebrow loss is result of hormonal changes or aging.